In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to peer review in Microsoft Word. Peer reviewing a document in Microsoft Word allows you to provide feedback, suggest changes, and point out areas that may need improvement without changing the original content directly. This is especially useful when reviewing essays, reports, assignments, or other documents. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document you want to review. Once the document is open, go to the Review tab at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find the tools you need for reviewing and providing feedback. Before making any changes, turn on Track Changes. Click Track Changes in the Review tab to activate it. When Track Changes is enabled, Word will keep a record of the edits you make to the document. This allows the original writer to see what was changed. Now, you can begin reviewing the document. Read through the content carefully and look for areas that may need corrections or improvements. When you make changes to the text, Word will automatically mark those edits as revisions. If you want to provide feedback without changing the actual text, you can add a comment. Select the word, sentence, or section you want to discuss, then go to the Review tab and choose New Comment. A comment box will appear where you can type your feedback. For example, you can use a comment to point out that a sentence could be clearer, a source may need to be checked, or additional information might be helpful. Keep your comments specific and constructive so the writer knows exactly what needs attention. As you continue reviewing, you can move between the comments and tracked changes to make sure you've covered the entire document. You can also reply to comments if you're working with another person and want to continue the discussion. Once the review is complete, the document can be shared with the original writer. They can then look through your suggestions and decide which changes they want to accept or reject. To manage tracked changes, go back to the Review tab and use the Accept or Reject options. You can review each change individually or use the available options to handle multiple changes. When reviewing someone else's work, it's a good idea to focus on clarity, accuracy, organization, grammar, and overall readability. Try to make your feedback helpful rather than simply pointing out mistakes. And that's how you can peer review a document in Microsoft Word using track changes and comments. These tools make it easier to collaborate, provide constructive feedback, and keep track of revisions. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,